Lightspeed Voice has a great tool for making and receiving calls from your computer. Lightspeed's in-browser Softphone. It's an incredibly convenient way to handle all your typical phone features. Log into Quantum, and on your dialer, you'll see a switch button with 2 arrows. Click here and you'll have the option to select Softphone. The gear icon will allow you to choose the input and output devices if you have a specific microphone or speakers you'd like to use. There are multiple ways to make a call. Use your mouse to click numbers, enter a number on your keyboard, copy and paste, or go to a prospect, and their number will automatically be loaded in. Once you're on a call, you'll have all the same controls as if you were on a desk phone. Mute or put a call on hold with the corresponding icons. Start a conference in the bottom left, or a new call in the bottom right, and easily transfer a call by clicking the transfer dropdown, where you'll see all options for moving that phone call. These are just some of the useful features of Lightspeed Voice's new in-browser Softphone, which will be available at no extra cost. If you have any questions, please reach out to us by calling 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Let us show you why we're more than just talk.